Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, of 60 students in a class, anyone who has chosen to study maths elects to do physics as well. But no one does maths and chemistry. 16 do physics and chemistry. All the students do at least one of the three subjects, and the number of people who do exactly one of the three is more than the number who do more than one of the three. What are the maximum and minimum number of people who could have done chemistry only? So let us represent it on a Venn diagram first. This is physics. This is maths, since everyone who is studying maths studies physics. And this is chemistry, because no one studying maths and chemistry, and the intersection of physics and chemistry is 16. This is physics, this is maths, and this is chemistry. Now let there be C students who are studying only maths, and let there be A students studying physics and B studying chemistry. So A plus B plus C plus 16 is equal to 60, where A is the number of students studying only physics, C is the number of students studying only maths, B number of students studying chemistry, and 16 is students studying physics and chemistry both. Or A plus B plus C is equal to 44. Then the number of people who do exactly one of the three is more than the number who do more than one of the three. So A plus B greater than C plus 16. Now we need to find the maximum and minimal possible values of B. So let B equals 0. Then A plus C is equal to 44. And since A greater than C plus 16, we could have A is equal to 40 and C is equal to 4. So B can be 0. Now thinking about the maximum value, let B is equal to 44. So A is equal to C is equal to 0 also works. Therefore, the minimum value is 0 and maximum value of C is 44. The next question is, consider two figures A and D that are defined in the coordinate plane. Each figure represents the graph of a certain function as defined below. So A is mod x minus mod y is equal to small a. So this can be represented as, if A greater than 0, then the curve is something like this. This is x, this is y. So this point is a comma 0 and this is minus a comma 0, and if a less than 0, this is 0 comma a, this is 0 comma minus a. Now the area enclosed by A and D would be 0. Area would be 0 if D less than mod A. Now in option B, D is equal to 1 and A is equal to minus 2. So for this, D less than mod A. If A greater than 0, then the only case when the area enclosed by A and D will be 0 is when D is equal to 0. So the correct option is option B.